When you open a document in Cami, you'll see the top bar where document controls sit and our toolbar on the left. The toolbar is where you'll find all of our annotation tools like the Understand tool, Text box, Drawing, and Questions AI. When you hover over the annotation you have created, the action bar appears, a handy tool with features like move, rotate, delete, and so much more. Now we move to the top bar. We have our Cami logo, which you can click to go back to the dashboard. Next to this is the annotation bank, which lets you access your most used feedback in just a click. Here is where you can rename and move your file directly from the top bar so you don't have to leave Cami. If you're sharing a document, you'll see their initials here. Click them to open our collaborators panel. Now you can see who is active and who has done what in the document. On the right side of the top bar, you'll find a file where you can open documents and manage your annotations. View, where you can change to presentation mode and rotate your document. Export, where you can export your document or do a quick download. And Tools, where text recognition and split and merge live. Then there's the big purple Share button, where you can share your Cami doc with your class and adjust sharing permissions. Next to that are your initials, where you can check out your profile preferences, including dark mode. And last but not least, at the bottom right of the screen is Page Control, Zoom Control, and Help, which is full of handy links to keep you moving. And there you have it. Now you're ready to dive in and start creating with Cami.